For the defense sector, security is paramount. However, as technology continues to advance, it is becoming increasingly challenging to ensure a high level of system security against cyber threats. Recently, DornerWorks was awarded a cyber contract to continue research and development on software intended to address this very problem. This is exactly the type of challenge that gets us excited here at DornerWorks. Under that project, a DornerWorks team of multidisciplinary experts leveraged our growing arsenal of proprietary cutting-edge software to provide the defense sector with extremely high levels of security without compromising mission success. But how do you go about making something cyber resilient?
Take a drone, which is completely controlled remotely. What happens if it's hacked and the mission directives are compromised? One can imagine how catastrophic that could be. Our team got together and decided that our best bet in safeguarding against cyber threats is to implement security containment. To do this, we took an open source microkernel and ran a series of virtual machines on top of it to fully isolate the system functions. So, if the system were under threat, all network communications could be stopped. But the drone would continue flying. We call this solution the DornerWorks seL4-based Hypervisor.
With our Hypervisor technology, we see applications extending to any industry which requires high levels of security and reliability in computing systems. From avionics to financial institutions, autonomous vehicle manufacturers, and beyond. That's why we took the DornerWorks Hypervisor a level further. Typically, this type of technology has a steep learning curve. To make things easier, we've packaged modeling tools with our technology to enable our clients to develop and deploy virtualized high-assurance systems of their own using simple drag-and-drop interface. DornerWorks is committed to creating cutting-edge solutions to help our clients navigate any challenge that comes their way, no matter how complex. To learn more, visit DornerWorks.com.